Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Darmeshia West, an independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. As you know that I've shared information, products, and different things, but also I want to share things that I may be doing along my journey with Mary Kay and just in general, lifestyles, life things that's going on and all that good stuff. So at the end of last year, 2020, everybody always have these resolution things they want to do, savings and all kinds of different challenges. And so I wanted to handle my money in a different way. In 2021, I think I did a great job in 2020. And so I was like, let me find something that's, that will pique my interest more to get me more involved in saving. And so I ran across, it was several. On Pinterest, you can find so many. So this is where I got the idea from. But it's so many different challenges in saving money and to get the results. So what I ran across is Wednesday weather challenge. Wednesday weather challenge, and I will put the picture of it up at the top, but I found it on Pinterest. And so what it is the Wednesday weather challenge is a great way to randomize your savings. Each Wednesday, transfer the temperature outside to your savings. Example, if it's 53 degrees, transfer $53. And so I started the first Wednesday in January, and it was 37 degrees. So I started off with $37. As you see, I went all the way down, and we in month of March. And last Wednesday, the 24th, it was 77 degrees. So it's a lot of fun when it get higher. So I can just imagine. So I got some 37, 30s, 50, 57, 48, 74, 38. I got another 72, 62, 73, 69. And then my last one was 77 degrees. So my next one coming up is for March. And then we're going to April. So I'm going to print more of these. This sheet going to carry me all the way till May 26th. So I can't wait to print some more. But this is just a fun idea, a quick little video that I want to share what I'm doing. So as of right now, I have this much in savings. Isn't that cool? Can you see it? $687. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this money. Whether it's going to be traveling for myself, I don't know. What do you think I should do with the money? Please let me know in the comments. Also share with me if you have any other money savings ideas that I can incorporate. So like I said, this is my first time. This is my first year doing it. So I'm excited to see how much I'm going to have at the end of the year. So it is March now. So I did 3 months. So let's see. So I probably do every 3 months, I'll probably come and do another video to let you know the update status on the Wednesday weather challenge. So this is a quick video, something that I just wanted to share with everyone. I wanted to start it in January, but as time go by fast, I kept forgetting. And I was like, I'm going to make a video. So once again, this is the Wednesday weather challenge. It's a great way to save money. So if you have any other ideas or question or anything, please let me know. Also, let me know, is there any other content that you would like to see? I know this is my Mary Kay page and I can save money. So Mary Kay has to do with money. But let me know if you have any other ideas besides makeup, any kind of tutorials, how-tos, crafty ideas, just anything, guys. I'm down for it all. I do have a YouTube channel, another YouTube channel, These Designs for my crafting ideas. I haven't been over there in a while, so I'm excited to get that started back. And what this helped me to do is fill in pockets of time, not to be idle, not having anything to do. So I love being creative and doing different things. So let me know about anything, guys. And just FYI, this is the Mary Kay new lip kit that I share with you guys. This is pink. So here's another look with pink on. I have a full face of makeup on. So this is what the Mary Kay new limited edition lip kit looks like. It comes with a liner, and it comes also with the lipstick. So here's what the box looked like, and here's what the product looked like. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you have not, please click the subscribe button. Please share this with your family and friends. And looking forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye-bye.